We all know when it comes to ignition coils, there's a lot of options out there and it can be overwhelming. This is where our friends at Standard Motor Products can give you the coil you're looking for. Now, Standard is now in their 100th year of the ignition business, and many of you are already familiar with their product lines, such as Blue Streak, which has been their premium brand with unique features you can depend on. Standard has revived and expanded the Blue Streak line, which includes new logo and packaging, and expanded offerings including new categories and legacy products. The first Blue Streak additions are these top-moving ignition coils. These coils feature improved product design over the OE coils, and they have better epoxy impregnation, increased insulation, which protects against high temp conditions, and a heavier duty boot and spring. All this leads to improved performance and longer life. The standard Blue Streak coils match or exceed the OE coils in all categories and are an excellent replacement, exceeding the OE performance. So the next time you're in need of an ignition coil, head down to your nearest Federated Auto Parts store and look for the Blue Streak coil.